This is a 2010 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. Its top features include skid plates, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: third-row seats, heated seats, a navigation system, satellite radio, alloy wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, a rear-view camera, traction control, a seat with memory presets, and this vehicle has fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Not to mention that this Mercedes-Benz qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Mercedes-Benz of Massapequa is located at 101 Sunrise Highway in Amityville. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.